What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today is day 14 of 15 days of Brinkley RV tours, where we're checking out a new Brinkley every day for 15 days. Today we are checking out this Brinkley Model G 3950. It has this huge rear deck, a large garage with a bath, and a amazing living area. Wait till you see it. Let's go check it out. All right, so starting here on the front of this Brinkley Model G 3950, there's a lot to cover on this RV. It weighs about 23,000 pounds, fully loaded. It's got a total tip-to-tip length of about 45 feet, 5 inches. You're gonna have 3 slide outs on this RV, a large rear deck, but let's go ahead and start up front. So you're gonna have that fiberglass painted front cap. You're gonna have your Gen Y pin box, which Gen Y is such a great company. Coming over to the front area, you're gonna have this huge underbelly storage area, and you're gonna have your Victron controls for the solar charger and all of that good stuff, the inverter. Up there, you're going to have the large stereo system for the Rockford Fosgate sound system. And then take a look at this. So this right here is a divider wall, and there's another one right there that flips down. And it's just a really great thing to have, especially if you want to separate the things that you're storing in your underbelly storage area. You do have some slam latches on those. And then take a look at this. So this is going to be where all of your stuff is for the solar chart, or the solar battery, your hydraulic leveling jacks, and then you also have your generator. And what's really cool is that this door, whenever you push it up, this pin goes in and it holds it upright. So that's really nice. All right, now let's head over to the opposing campsite, where you're going to have your propane tank. You're gonna have one on this side and then one on the other side as well. All right, really nice. And then this right here, you're able to open it up, and there are some hydraulic lifts, so it opens itself up. Right here is going to be a little drop down area. What's really cool about this is that it's not wasted space at all, because this right here flips up and this massive drawer pulls out. You're going to have the hole where you run your water connections out. What's really cool is that this right here is a water hose that you can pull out, and then it retracts itself back in, and yes, it does lock whenever you pull it out far enough. This right here is going to be all of your water controls. You're going to have your satellite cable connections, and then you're going to have all of the switches for your gray tank and black tank dumps. Now you are going to have 2 separate ones. You're going to have a gray and black tank dump up front, and then a gray and black tank dump on the back. This right here is what I was talking about. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull up on this latch, do the same over here, and then now you have the ability to lift this up. It connects up here and it opens up all the storage space. But if you don't want to do that, you can simply use it as a divider wall, and now it won't open because the pins drop down in place. Really cool feature. Over here, you're going to have another little storage area. But this right here is where the power cable is going to be housed, and it is on an easy reel by MoreRide, so you can unroll it with an electric reel. Down here, you're going to have another one of these amazing storage bins, and this right here is going to be for the telescopic ladder, which the ladder prep is going to be right here, so that right there allows you to get up on the roof and do maintenance. Over here, you're going to have a scare light, a little docking light, so if you get to the campground late at night and you need to set up all of your water connections and power, you have some light to do it in. Right here is going to be your on-demand hot water heater. You're gonna have your furnace. And then this right here is one big rack and pinion slide system. Let's come down here and get a better look. So you're gonna have 3 axles on this unit. You do have your hydraulic leveling system, another one right here. And this right here is going to be your sewer dump, and there's another one right on the other side of these amazing Cooper tires. Coming down to the back of this RV, this right here is really nice. Right here is going to be an air compressor as well as a fuel pump. So if you want to fill this up with fuel, you do have a literal gas station sitting in your RV. So on the back of this RV, you're going to have this really nice deck that drops down. It's a back patio. It can be used as a back patio, but it can also be used as a ramp to drive your toys in and out. You have a Girard armless awning here on the back, which is really nice. Furrion backup camera, which is standard. And you do have the speakers in the corners, which are connected to the Rockford Fosgate sound system. Coming over to the campsite, you're going to have a lot of coverage when it comes to your awning. You're gonna have this awning, which spans this entire wall. You're gonna have an awning that also spans the entire length of this slide out, and then another awning, which is going to span the front part of the side wall. Really cool. Right here is going to be another propane tank, and then you're going to have another. That right there goes up, connects with the latch, and check this out. You're gonna have another one of those sliding drawers. It's not the other side of the other one. It is two separate sliding doors. Super cool. Next to your underbelly storage area is going to be this really cool thing, which is a pull-out fridge or freezer. Then you're gonna have your More Ride solid steps that flip down. And then you also have this handrail, which you can pull out this piece. You basically have to push it in, and then it folds up and collapses like that. And then it's super easy to pull out. That slides down and you pop your pin in place. And this right here is really great because it allows you to get multiple gripping points heading into the RV. Now this right here is going to be your RV lock handle. Now this comes on the Brinkley Model Z Air and Up. It's standard. Now we have this on our RV, and look, we're never turning back to the original handle. This makes getting in and out of your RV super easy. You can either punch in your code, use the wireless remotes, or just use the standard set of keys. But if you guys don't have this on your RV, I definitely recommend it. And if you head over to rvlock.com and use the discount code RVTalk10, you can receive 10% off of your order. So definitely recommend checking that out. All right, let's head inside. All right, so now we are inside of this Brinkley Model G 3950. It's pretty cool in here. So you're gonna have your dinette space over here, part of your kitchen there, the other half of the kitchen right there, and then this massive L-shaped sofa and a huge entertainment center here. Let's start with the dinette. So you're gonna have two chairs, and this right here is a desk that slides side to side and pulls out. And so this right here is all that you can do with it. Creates all these different positions. You do have this really nice large window. Coming over here, you're going to have a nice residential size refrigerator. You got the fridge up on the top, and then a really nice pull-out freezer here on the bottom. Now this right here, it pulls out. So that right there is really cool. And then you also have another one right here. So that pulls out as well. Honestly, the storage space in here is phenomenal. Like, it's amazing. You've got that storage here. And then let's check out the kitchen. So you're gonna have this really cool light. And then you do have the center island, which backs up to your sofa. And then over here, you're going to have some pull-out drawers. They are all soft close. Now this right here is a super crazy deep. Check out how deep that is. Like, it's amazing. More storage space right here, and then you do have these really nice flip down silverware drawers, and then this right here is a magnet, so you can put knives right there. So it's like one of those magnetic knife holders. Really cool. Do have a sprayer faucet, deep farmhouse sink, and then this right here is so you can put some sponges in there. Now this right here is going to be your oven. Super large oven, 4-burner cooktop, large residential size microwave, and check out all that space. Right here is going to be another large cabinet, and you do have adjustable shelving, so that's really nice. There is lighting all throughout this slide out, so that's really cool how, you know, they're lighting up that space, because there's some RVs where there's just lights in here and you have to rely on that to cast light into the slide out. You do have lots of storage space right here. You're going to have dual trash cans, or you can use one as trash and the other as recycling. Really nice silverware drawer, and what's cool is that they allow you to take these sections in and out. So if you wanted a larger space, they allow you to do that. So pretty cool. All right, before we check the front living area out, we're gonna head to the back. So this right here is the back garage. This is going to be only 14 feet. It's not the crazy 16-foot garage that we saw a little bit ago, but overall it's pretty nice. You're going to have these tracks in the floor to where you can you're able to put hooks in so you can secure your toys. Now this right here, it pops up. Check this out. You've got this little storage space. Really cool. All right, so you do have your back porch, and this door opens and it does lock itself. But what's really nice is that it folds all the way to the side, and it has a magnet so you can hook it on. And then this door, you're able to pull down the lever and it will open to the side as well. And that door will do the same. Overall, this right here is a really nice back porch, and with that armless awning, it's even nicer. Well, let's go ahead and close this door back up and head inside. So basically, you just close it, a little pin will get pushed in, it locks in, and then this right here, you just pull it because it's a magnet, and you can close it. All right, so back porch is pretty nice, but what is this? Well, you're going to have a bed up there that drops down, and then this right here is going to be 2 little side couches, but that also turns into a bed. Over here is pretty much it's a removable bathroom. You're able to move this sidewall as well as this piece and open up more space to pull your toys in. You're going to have your toilet down here, still a porcelain foot flush toilet, and then this right here, you just pull down those 2 levers and you have a sink. So that's pretty nice. And even though it's a little plastic piece back there to create this sink, they still give you solid surface countertops out here. So really cool. Up above the bathroom is going to be a bed, and then you also have a large TV. You have your rear door, and then this right here is a door that separates the garage from the living space. Well, let's go ahead and check out this main living area. So you're going to have this really nice L-shaped sofa, a massive TV, a fireplace, but unfortunately there is no storage anywhere on this wall. But don't worry, tons of it up here. So overall, really nice. The L-shaped sofa, you're able to recline this seat, that seat, and then these 2, but of course not the corner one. All right, now let's go ahead and check out this front bedroom and see what it's all about. So you're going to have this little storage cubby right here. In the slide out, you're going to have a window up above the bed, and then you're going to have 2 side windows. You do have a shelf right here, and Brinkley adds a plug, so if you have a CPAP machine be able to put it right here. And then this is really cool. It's a little reading light that it has adjustable pieces, so you can move it around to your liking. Underneath the bed, you're going to have a lot of storage. So you're going to have that storage space right there, and then all of these pull-out drawers. Alongside the bed, you have these two sliding doors with mirrors on the front. So back here is going to be your closet. You have a little storage space up here, and then all of these corner shelves. Now over here is going to be a lot of storage space, and down here is where you have your washer and dryer prep, as well as your two stools for the kitchen island. And what's really cool is that above this dresser, this right here slides out, and you have this little secret storage spot. You do have an egress window, but sorry, but that's too big of a jump for me. You do have a TV, but overall that right there is going to do it for the bedroom. You do have a door that you're able to close off the space. Let's go ahead and check out the bathroom. So in here, lots of nice headroom. You are going to have two little towel hooks, this back wall, and then check this out. This is a massive storage spot, and you are able to adjust all of these shelves. And then you have this really large cubby too. Man, it takes a lot to close that cabinet. You do have a little trash can, which is really nice because I gotta say, it is hard to find a good spot to put your trash can in an RV bathroom. Over here, you're going to have your foot flush porcelain toilet, and then you do have your magnetic toilet paper holder. Now for, you know what, the shower test. Really great height in here. You do get the skylight. And then check this out. They've got this rain head. You've got these two body sprayers, or whatever you want to call them, front sprayers. You do have this right here, which is like a handheld sprayer. And then you've got two little side storage cubbies. Now this right here is pretty cool. It's all textured. Interesting. And then there's the mirror. So you've got that, you've got your hand towel holder, and you do have your sink. Under here, you're going to have lots of storage space, some pull-out drawers, really nice. And then there's Liquified, which happens to be today's sponsor of the video. This right here is Liquified, and they have so many different products. They have a gray tank treatment, they have the amazing RV toilet treatment, they even have it in pods if you don't want to use the liquid version. They've got a toilet bowl cleaner, a sensor cleaner, and so much more. But this right here is such a great product. We have been RVing for over 15 years, and this is hands down the best RV toilet treatment that we've ever found. It actually works, and it's made with enzymes and bacteria which help break down your waste, prevent odors. It even cleans your tank sensors. It's made in America. It comes in this really cool bottle which measures out 1 ounce, which is all you need to clean a 40-gallon tank. They make such great products, and if you head over to their website, liquifiedrv.com, and use the discount code RVTalk15, you can receive 15% off of your order of Liquified. Definitely recommend going and checking them out, and thanks to them for sponsoring today's video. Alright, so that right there is going to do it for touring this Brinkley Model G 3950. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Is this front living area with this large L-shaped sofa something that you would like? Let me know down below. Today was day 14 of 15 days of Brinkley RV tours. Tomorrow will be the last day, but don't worry, the content is not stopping after that. And stick around for tomorrow, because it is the final day of 15 days of Brinkley RV tours. Till then, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the road.